Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your PlayStation 5 profile with a QR code. And this is a new feature that was added recently. So just on the home screen here, let's go up and go over to our profile. Select it. Then let's go to Profile. Now if we scroll through here, you can see there is an option that says Share Profile. Just select this. And a QR code is going to display on your screen. Press X to enlarge it. Now, a friend could scan the QR code right here, and then you can add them as a friend just easily like that. Or you could take a screenshot on your phone and send it over to a friend or something like that. Or I can take a picture of it on my PlayStation, hold down the share button, and here it is. And I could send this over to someone in a message. So I can go to like one of my teams I'm on, the B team, and send this as a message right here. Or I can send it to an individual as a message as well. Now it's being uploaded to my PlayStation app. But if I go over to my game base and go to messages now, you can see my QR code is going to be in here. So it's very easy to do. So you can also download the QR code. If you have the PlayStation app on your phone, you can just simply download this once you send it over using your PlayStation 5. And then you can send it in a regular text message on Facebook, Discord, or anywhere else you want to go ahead and send it to. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.